Today is a Thursday, May 30th, 2024. It took a while for me to come to the realization that uh, there is a thing called feast or famine. And what I've noticed the uh, similarity between that concept and the way that the market presents itself goes all the way back to the dot-com boom of the second millennium. Now, in year 2000, which I was part of, there was a dot-com boom. And then, right afterwards, there was a implosion in the market. And what seems to have happened is that when the market drops so suddenly after the bubble burst, people flee the market and go into different investment areas. And what that causes is a depletion of volatility in the market. And what that will do is there will be a prolonged period of famine in the market. First, there was a feast, and then there was a famine. And so, generally speaking, a stock in particular will move in a certain location, or it's waiting to move to another place. Even if there's a major trend reversal, there is a momentary hesitation where a sudden change at the apex or the trough of that uh, curvature exists is a momentary uh, momentary Sargasso Sea type of a situation. Then it performs a major trend reversal and moves up in a different direction, either slowly. However, when there is a major trend reversal, there is a tendency to move quickly to another location or is in the process of moving into that location. Therefore, the movements of the Darvas box and the way that that particularly is interesting is that it resides in a certain location where upon it's essentially is a famine. When a stock sits in a particular location, the world is unable to generate the resources, the expenses that occurs from trades that occurs. Only through movement will there be a significant influx of capital to sustain the lifeblood of Wall Street. Therefore, essentially, the things that occurs in the market is to be critically aware of the magnitude in which the feast occurs and the the speed at which it occurs, and also be cognizant of the areas where there is a famine, and that within that famine area, whatever I do, then I need to trade in a different manner to fit within the criteria of being within the Darvas box. So, in essence, when the going gets good, it's good to take as much as possible at that moment to stave off that hunger when there is famine that occurs, and trading within those areas and being astute to the areas where the transition occurs is the optimal point for maximum gains, maximum capital, and advantage.